This lesson we're going to be looking at reflections. Reflections are a type of transformation where you flip the pre-image across some axis or line to get the image. If you just have the coordinates and you're trying to reflect the pre-image across the x-axis, all you need to do is change the sign of the y-coordinate of each point. If you want to reflect across the y-axis, you just change the sign of the x-coordinate. If you want to reflect across the line y equals x, then you're going to interchange the x and y coordinates. And if you want to reflect across the line y equals negative x, then you're going to interchange the x and y coordinates and also change the sign of both coordinates. If you want to reflect pre-image across some vertical line x equals h, you're going to multiply 2 times whatever h is and then subtract the x coordinate. The y coordinate is unchanged. You're going to reflect across the horizontal line y equals k. Then you're going to leave the x coordinate alone, multiply k by 2, and then subtract the y coordinate. All right, in this example, we want to reflect the pre-image triangle ABC across the line in the figure. First thing we're going to do is start by writing down the coordinates of the pre-image. And then to get the coordinates of the image, what we want to do is approximate the distance on the other side of the drawn line. So if you approximate the location of the image, then you'll get a coordinate right about here, a coordinate right about here, and another coordinate right about here. Alright, so we have the coordinates of the image. So for the image, we should have the coordinate either 2, 2, 3, or 2, 4. Either one is fine. That's for A prime. And then for B prime, that coordinate is the closest coordinate. We can do 1, 1. That's the closest coordinate. And then for C prime, that coordinate is closest to 2, -3. The slope of the line in the figure has a slope of 3, 1. Perpendicular slope is -1/3. The next example, we want to reflect this line across the x-axis. So again, we're going to start with the coordinates of the pre-image. And then we're going to use the rules for reflecting across the x-axis, which is to change the sign of the y-coordinate. So that'll give us -4, 0, and then -5, -5 for C prime, -3, -2 for W prime. And then do the same thing for example 3. We want to reflect the pre-image across the line y equals x. So again, we're going to start off by, well, we already have the coordinates of the pre-image, so we want to now apply the rules for reflecting across the line y equals x. So we're just going to interchange the x and y coordinates. So u is -5, 0, so u prime is 0, -5. W prime would be 4, -2, and H prime would be 0, -2. In this example, we want to identify the line of reflection. So the line of reflection is going to be midway between each one of the coordinates for the pre-image and the image. Right there is where the line of reflection will be. It's across the x-axis. And then lastly, we want to identify the line of reflection for this transformation. And again, the line of reflection will be right in between the line that separates the image and the pre-image. The slope of AC is -2/4 or -1/2.